Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this radical problem. So in this problem, we have a square root 6 plus square root 6 plus square root 6 plus square root 6 up to infinity. So let's start. We in the first step we let that this whole expression is equal to x. So square root 6 plus square root 6 plus square root 6 plus square root 6 up to so on, this is equal to x. Now we take a square on both sides of this equation. So take a square on this side and also take a square on this side. This square and square root will cancel because they are opposite to each other. So we get a x plus square root 6 plus square root 6 plus square root 6 up to so on. This is equal to x square. We let that our expression, which is this one, is equal to x. So this implies x plus this is equal to x. So 6 plus x, this is equal to x square. Now in the next step, we subtract 6 and x on both sides of this equation. So this is a 6 plus x. Subtract 6 and subtract x on this side, and also subtract x and subtract 6 on this side. So this x and x will cancel because this is a plus x and this is a minus x, and this is a plus 6 and this is a minus 6. So we just get a 0 on left hand side. Now look at this is a x square minus x minus 6. Now this will become a quadratic equation, so we factorize this. If we multiply the coefficient of x square, which is 1, and by this last constant 6, we get a 6, and our middle value is minus 1. Now we split this middle value minus 1 into two numbers such that if we multiply these two numbers, then we get a 6. So the two numbers are minus 3 and 2, positive 2. If we solve minus 3 plus 2, we get a minus 1, and if we multiply, then we get the constant 6. So this implies we write this middle value as a minus 3 times x plus 2 times x, and this constant is a minus 6, which is equal to 0. Now look at this first two term, x involved in this two terms, so we factor out, then this first term will become a just x and the second term will become a 3. Now 2 involved in last two terms, so we factor out positive 2, then this last two term will become a x minus 3. So we write this as a x plus 2 and multiply x minus 3. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So we can write this as a x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now look at this. If we subtract a 2 on both sides, then x is equals to minus 2. And look at this. If we add a 3 on both sides, then x is equal to 3. So we get a two answer of x. First is minus 2 and second is 3. And our question is square root 6 plus square root 6 plus square root 6 up to so on. We let this is equal to x, and we get two answer of x, which first is a minus 2 and second is a 3. So this whole term is greater than 0, so minus 2 is not greater than 0. So our answer is 3. So this implies square root 6 plus square root 6 plus square root 6 up to so on. This is equal to 3, and we have done. Thank you.